हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, यू आर वाचिंग एसएनएस वर्ल्ड यूट्यूब चैनल। आप लोग कैसे हैं? तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। आई एम सत्यनारायण शाह। आई एम गोइंग टू टीच योर न्यू सब्जेक्ट जियोग्राफी। Why we study geography? What is geography? And how we study? Geography is the subject where given about Earth, climate related to Earth. Geography, that word is a combination of two words. Geo comes from G and graphy comes from graphian. G means Earth and graphian to write. By combining two words, geography word happens. And how we represent Earth. Earth is planet where you live. Planet means what? The heavenly body which moves around the sun. You know that universe after that galaxy then solar system, like that combination of universe. Then how we represent Earth, how we know about the Earth? Through globe, map, sketch, plan. These things given in your book. Now I am going to describe in detail one by one. At first, globe. Globe, you have seen that the earth is spherical in shape and globe, one axis is there, it moves around. Then the question comes, how the earth moves? Earth moves from west to east. In globe, you get clear idea about the earth. It axis and moves around. But what are the drawbacks of globe? We cannot take from one place to another. Globe is very small. Our earth is 40 million bigger than globe. It is three-dimensional. Three-dimensional convert into map, two-dimensional. One point you remember that globe is three-dimensional, map is two-dimensional. First, and globe is spherical and round. Our earth is round. Here the country, ocean, pictures paste. But map is flat representation. Flat representation of earth. On paper it drawn. And map, scale use. One thing I am going to tell you before giving example scale. तुम फोटो लगाते हो, मतलब एडमिट कार्ड हुआ और स्कूल में देते हो, बोलते हो ना स्टाम्प साइज फोटो, पासपोर्ट साइज फोटो। और सुने हो जैसे सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल का स्टेचू बना हुआ है बड़ा, इसलिए बड़ा छोटा वो किया जाता है मेजरमेंट। स्केल क्या है? रेशियो बिटवीन मैप एंड ग्राउंड। ग्राउंड 7 किलोमीटर अगर है उसको हम लेंगे 7 सेंटीमीटर। 7 किलोमीटर को दिखाने के लिए पेपर बहुत बड़ा चाहिए और पेपर उतना मिलेगा ही नहीं, तो 7 किलोमीटर को हम छोटा करेंगे, 1 किलोमीटर 1 सेंटीमीटर ले सकते हैं। और स्केल मतलब रेशियो, ग्राउंड एंड मैप। स्केल का सहायता से हम क्या बनाते हैं, मैप। मैप divided into what? 3: physical, political, thematic. Physical what? Where? Mountain, river, features of land, plateau, these things given in physical map. In political map, countries, capital, those things given in political map. And thematic map, rainfall, industry, those things given in thematic map. In this way, we understand art. Sometimes one thing you confused: small scale, large scale. Small scale where big area, there we put small scale. Suppose India, in their small scale, but Odisha, large scale. Here if we put 1000 kilometer equal to 1 centimeter, 1000 kilometer equal to 1 centimeter, and 10,000 kilometer equal to 1 centimeter. Which is large scale, which is small scale? Small scale, this one, this one, large scale. Small scale, large area, and large scale, small area. These are the maps then given about sketch. In sketch, it is rough figure. Rough figure, there scale is not used, but plan. When you are building made, at that time it is planning how much area and which area for building, which area for garden, like that plan happen. And what are the components needed for a map? First, title, then title, scale, direction, conventional symbol. Title, what name will be given? Scale, direction, you know that. N for north, E for east, W for west, S for south. These are four directions. These are cardinal direction. Then next is north, south, east, west. This one northeast, this one northwest, this one southeast, this one southwest. So these are the directions. आज तुम लोग क्या जाने, क्या सीखे, उसको नोट करो, बुक को एक बार पढ़ो, लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट, क्योंकि लाइक से मोटिवेशन मिलता है और अच्छा से वीडियो हम बनाऊंगा तुम्हारे लिए. डोंट forget to press the bell icon to get earlier information. Thank you.